పెద్దగా.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Dr. Sudha Science Class. This is Lalit Nanda from 5th grade. My project is solar street lights. A solar street light is a special kind of street light that uses sunlight to make light. Solar street lights are used to light up in streets and public places without needing electricity from power plants. Energy from the sun. Solar street lights are use energy from the sun, which is free and always available during the day. No electricity is environmentally friendly. Solar street lights are good for the environment because they don't produce pollution by generating electricity. Safety. They make it safer at night by providing light, making it easier for people to see and reducing the risk of accidents. Easy to install. Conclusion. In simple terms, solar street lights are amazing because they get power from the sun.